Welcome to Sunil Maths tutorial. In this video, we discuss about some problems in solid geometry according to the plane. Let us see the problem. Find the equation of the plane passing through 2 points, capital A of -1, 1, 1 and capital B of 1, -1, 1 and perpendicular to the plane x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 5. You have to find an equation of the plane that passes through 2 points and perpendicular to another plane. You have to find an equation of the plane that passes through 2 points and perpendicular to the given plane. Let us solve this problem. So given points capital A and capital B are the given points, and given plane is x plus 2y plus 2z minus 5 is equals to 0. Now write the equation to the plane passing through the point capital A of -1, 1, 1 is the equation to the plane which passes through the point. This is the formula, one of the very important formula. Small a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equals to 0, where x1, y1, z1 are taken from this point. x1, y1, z1 are taken this point -1, 1 and 1. By substituting that point, we get this equation: a into x plus 1 plus b into y minus 1 plus c into z minus 1 is equals to 0. We write the formula and then we substitute x1, y1, z1 from the point capital A. Let it be equation number 2. And then also by given data, this equation 2 passing through another point capital B of 1, -1, 1. The same equation number 2 passes through the another point 1, -1, 1. So now replace the variables x, y, z by using the coordinates of the point B. Now replace the variables x, y, z in equation 2 by the coordinates of the point B. So we get this one: a into 1 plus 1 plus b into -1 minus 1 plus c into 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. By simplifying, we get a minus b is equals to 0. Let it be equation number 3. So right now again by data, equation 2 is perpendicular to equation 1. Equation 2 is perpendicular to equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 5. This is equation number 1. X plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 5, equation number 1. What is equation 2? A into x plus 1 plus b into y minus 1 plus c into z minus 1 is equals to 0. By given data, this equation 2 and this plane are perpendicular to each other. If two planes are perpendicular, then we use this condition: a1 plus a2 plus b1 plus b2 plus c1 plus c2 is equals to 0. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0. From equation 2, you can take a is equals to a1, b is equals to b1, c is equals to c1. And then from equation 1, we get a2 is equals to 1, b2 is equals to 2, c2 also equivalent to 2. So you get this equation: a plus 2b plus 2c is equals to 0. Observe that. You can blindly write this condition. You can write blindly this condition: equation 1 and equation 2 are perpendicular to each other. If these two equations are perpendicular to each other, then what are the direction ratios here? ABC. What are the direction ratios here? ABC. So if you replace xyz by ABC, then you get this: a plus 2b plus 2c is equals to 0. A plus 2b plus 2c is equals to 0. That's it. Perpendicularity condition. So now we have two equations. Observe that a minus b is equals to 0, 1 and a plus 2b plus 2c is equals to 0, equation 4. Solving equation 3 and 4. Solving equations 3 and 4. I think already you know this method. Write a, b, c and starting with b coefficient. Starting with b coefficient from equation 3, -1, c coefficient 0, a coefficient 1, ending with b coefficient -1 again. From equation 4, starting with b coefficient 2, c coefficient again 2, a coefficient 1, again b coefficient 2. You get, by solving this equation, we get a by cross multiplication: -2 minus 0 is equals to b by 0 minus 2 is equals to c by 2 plus 1. Here it is. Please observe that. A by -2, b by -2, C by 3. So we get A by 2, B by 2, and C by minus 3. Using the values of A, B, C, using the values of A, B, and C in equation number 2, we get this result. 2 into x minus 1 plus 2 into y minus 1 minus 3 into z minus 1 is equals to 0. Simplify, you get this answer. 2x plus 2y minus 3z plus 3 is equals to 0, which is the required plane. Observe that. There is a similar problem. You work out that problem. Find the equation to the plane which passes through 2 points 2, 2, 1 and 9, 3, 6 and perpendicular to another plane 2x plus 6y plus 6z is equals to 9. The same problem as it is previous problem, but the different values, different points. Observe that. You have to find an equation of the plane which passes through 2 points and perpendicular to another plane. So using previous problem, solve this problem. I can explain the next problem. So again, observe that. Right. Prove that the equation of the plane, which passes through the points 1, minus 2, 4, 3, minus 4, 5, and parallel to x-axis is y plus 2z is equals to 6. Is y plus 2z is equals to 6. I think it is 6. Y plus 2z is equals to 6. Yes, y plus 2z is equals to 6. You have to find an equation. Which passes through 2 points and parallel to x-axis. Remember that. Parallel to x-axis is something y plus 2z is equals to 6. Yes, let us solve this problem. Right. Given points are 1 minus 2, 4 and 3 minus 4, 5. These two are the given points. Right. Let it be capital A and second one is capital B. The equation to the plane passing through the point A is, capital A is A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equals to 0. You get this equation. A into x minus 1 plus b into y plus 2 plus c into z minus 4 is equals to 0. In the formula x1, y1, z1, we replace the coordinates of A, 1, minus 2, 4. x1 is equals to 1, y1 is equals to minus 2, z1 is equals to 4. So equation 1. Also by data, the same equation 1 passing through another point 3 minus 4, 5. Equation 1 passing through another point 3 minus 4, 5. So replace the variables x, y, z by the coordinates of B. X replaced by 3, y replaced by minus 4, z replaced by 5. You get this equation. A into 3 minus 1 plus b into minus 2 plus 4 plus c into 5 minus 4 is equals to 0. You get 2a minus 2b plus c is equals to 0. So, right. Again, by data, equation 1 is parallel to x-axis. Equation 1 is parallel to x-axis. Equation 1 is parallel to x-axis means the direction cosines of x-axis are 1, 0, 0. The direction cosines of x-axis are 1, 0, 0. So, clearly, equation 1, I mean, the direction cosines of equation 1 are the direction cosines of equation 1 are not equation 1, the direction cosines of x-axis, are 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. By using this fact with equation number 1, a into 1 plus b into 0 plus c into 0 is equals to 0. A into 1 plus b into 0 plus c into 0 is equals to 0 because the direction cosines of x-axis are 1, 0, 0. So by simplifying this equation, you get a is equals to 0. If you get a is equals to 0, substitute this value in equation 2. A is equals to 0, substitute that value in equation 2. You get minus 2b plus c is equals to 0. What is 2b? 2b is equals to c. It means b by 1 is equals to c by 2. B by 1 is equals to c by 2. It means the value of b is 1, the value of c is 2. Already we find that the value of a is 0. Now substituting the value of a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 1, c is equals to 2. In equation number 1 we substitute the values of a, b, c. In equation 1 we get 0 into x minus 1 plus 1 into y plus 2 plus 2 into z minus 4 is equals to 0. So simplify the equation. You get y plus 2z minus 6 is equals to 0. That is y plus 2z is equals to 6. y plus 2z is equals to 6, which is the required equation. Which is the required equation. That's it. You can solve the same problem in another way also. Here, equation 1 is parallel to x-axis. Equation 1 is parallel to x-axis. And x-axis is perpendicular to yz plane. X-axis is perpendicular to yz plane. What is the equation of yz plane? What is the equation of yz plane? Lx. Lx is equals to p. What is the equation of yz plane? Lx is equals to p. The equation of yz plane is Lx is equals to p, where L not equals to 0. Where L not equals to 0. Now again we use the perpendicularity condition, a into L plus b into 0 plus c into 0 is equals to 0. Again here L not, it means AL is equals to 0. It means AL is equals to 0. But here we get L not equals to 0, then we get A is equals to 0. In any way, you can solve the, you can get the same answer, A is equals to 0. That's it. Right? There is another similar problem. I can explain that also. Please observe that. Show that the equation of the plane passing through the points 1, minus 2, 4, 3, minus 4, 5, and perpendicular to xy plane. And perpendicular to xy plane is x plus 1 plus y is equals to 0. Right? As it is to previous problem. Given points are capital A of 1, minus 2, 4, B of 3, minus 4, 5. The equation to the plane passing through the point capital A of 1, minus 2, 4. The equation to the plane passing through the point 1, minus 2, 4 is, write the formula A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 is equals to 0. Now substitute x1, y1, z1, the coordinates of A. Substitute the coordinates of A. So A into x minus 1 plus B into y plus 2 plus C into z minus 4 is equals to 0. Again by data, in the problem we have the same equation 1 is passing through another point, 3, minus 4, 5. So replace the variables x, y, and z by the points 3, minus 4, 5. By the points 3, minus 4, 5. A into 3 minus 1 plus B into minus 4 plus 2 plus C into 5 minus 4 is equals to 0. After simplifying this, 2A minus 2B plus C is equals to 0. Also by data, equation 1 is perpendicular to xy plane. Equation 1 is perpendicular to xy plane. What is the equation of xy plane? What is the equation of xy plane? Nz is equals to p. It means equation 1 is perpendicular to nz is equals to p. Equation 1 is perpendicular to nz is equals to p. So apply the perpendicularity condition, a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c into n is equals to 0. From equation 1, you can take a, b, c. From this nz is equals to p, you can take 0, 0, and n. Apply the perpendicularity condition a1, a2, a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is equals to 0. Here ABC one set, A1, B1, C1. 0, 0, n is another set, A2, B2, C2. By substituting, we get A into 0 plus B into 0 plus C into n is equals to 0. We assume that n not equals to 0. Automatically, we get C is equals to 0. Substitute the value of C in equation 2. C is equals to 0. Then equation 2 implies 2A minus 2B is equals to 0. 2A minus 2B is equals to 0. What it means? A is equals to B. What it means? A is equals to A by 1 is equals to B by 1 and C is equals to 0. Substituting the values of ABC in equation 1, we get this equation. X minus 1 plus y plus 2 is equals to 0. That is nothing but x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0, which is the required plane. That's it. Practice these problems. In the next video, we'll learn some another problems according to the plane chapter. Keep learning. Wish you all the best.